ukugcina isikhathi uma ekuqaleni komsebenzi kuze kufika la singena kule formal part of the program. The program there is about the celebration of a life wedding. Impilo of a towering figure. The person who was larger than life. If who was there was in the room, we could not listen. He was a doyen, while Tikomikuru, a bound tree. He found a highway to live and we're talking about the teacher, by profession. We are talking about the student of history. We are talking about a father, a caring father. We are talking about Umanu, we are talking about Umkuru, we are talking about a husband. That's the time that we are here to celebrate Unengene Yalushel. Ubaba, uzindlela thina, akinayo ukuthi nathi evangelini ubeke sona nje ilunga elikukhona ekhondweni, but ube umveleli, which is one of the highest ranking officials or officers ekhondweni. Kwepite kuthale ukubhala jikelele ekhondweni when it comes to our administrative issues. So nobhala ukujwayelekile we have built ye-organization. Baba uzindela ube umvangeli. He was an evangelist. Ongazange likhulume kuphela evangeli ukuthi uwenzile umsebenzi wevangeli. Kakhulu. He was the embodiment of the teachings and the gospel of the 12 apostles. Ngicela sishaye izandla. So, the physical started with the spirit, Simbate, Namastika, Astarte. Now, when we are talking about a character such as the one that I've described, who was in the ngoba umndeni usinikezile isikhathi ekufanele sibesesiqedile ngalo msebenzi esinawo ukuhamba umzimba kuye nawo kulungisele khona. So ngiyacela ukuthi abasikazeli angabi made azama ukuyixoxa inkulumo so that we don't offend anyone. Kodwa ngafika khona esikhathini sokuthi siyawuma noma siyaqola, ngiyacela futhi ukuthi sonke sembathe okusha. Lefike quickly with the program so that ukhona program nongenayo program kodwa ukhona ubhalile ukuthi uzokhuluma ukuthi umama kuphi ne-program. Session 1 we-program usuwenzekile. Bekungena kokhetha kwaphinde kwaba yinkonzo empishana enentshumayelo esiyitholile. Session 2 we-program manje engiyichazile ngawenza ama-remarks, ikwaya esisebenzile ukucula ukufunda i-obituary kababa. Then sizothola ispeaker esiwu-number 3 ngokwe-program esokhuluma on behalf of ifamily yakanje. Number 4 sizoba Mrs. S. Nkomona. Sithole ispeaker esokhuluma on behalf of ifamily yakamgwaba ekumnumzane N. Mgwaba. Siphinde futhi sizothola ispeaker esizokhulumela abanye abafundi bakhe uDr. MP Khathini. Alright. Because I'm checking out, I'm trying to multitask, but I don't think I'm going to do it. Go back and ask the uno más lo con el padre de Pentecost. Okay. And who said it? Alright, si vedere qui la parola, questo culmera una della, come della, che aveva avuto delle Dr. MP isikhathini. Emva kwalokho sithola i-combined choir yakamashu, siphinde sithole i-speech by spiritual father Mkhokheli Kababuzindlela Apostolic Emeka. Sesithola i-speech on behalf of the church okubaba wakayenzama okuhlala lokho. Sesithola i-choir ezosinikeza umculo olusha kuyikwaya yaseLizini. Sesithola i-tribute by uSipho Zindlela omunye wabantwana bakababuzindlela. Sithole i-speech by children and family ezokwenziwa community elder Zindlela on behalf of abantwana bakho. Sesithola i-senior sisters, sithole umvangeli bese kuba nama-announcement bese liyaphetha. So program yethu kanjalo impeshana. Ngizocela ukuthi mhlawumbe i-apostle choir bengalokhu ezilapho ubaba uNdlovu noma uMrs. Esifonde ezoza ngaphambili isiphe umuntu obathile. Then isibeka sokubukela isiteji. Oya. Then Esifonde cela bezwe. What I said.
A great hero, and again so victorious, a hundred one. Kakhulu sithandile thina siyamagatsheni singasile sihloniphile until kube this 8th of June. Efike sibone ukuthi impi iyala akudlunyaneni kodwa kudla kamonzi. Angeke ngilale ekudeni kakhulu kodwa engithanda ukuphawula kakhulu is the commitment udadewethu Pet kanye no-CS ababenayo esibuke nje begqama kakhulu ngayo esenkonzweni. Sasasho sathi
hayi engathi baphile emini uma besifuna mhlambe kwesinye isikhathi to visit their home as our family members, we could ask ourselves first, am I going to find them at home? No. Laba ngizobadisturb abekho. Ngempela kwesinye isikhathi futhi you drive, get there, uyafika hayi bahambile kuthiwa ubeyongenisa inkonzo ka-2 eNewcastle every Tuesday. Hayi simjabulelile kakhulu ukuba ubaba obeqotho kangaka empilweni yakhe nesempilweni yalomndeni. Bekwazi kodwa ukusikhipha isikhathi esinye to share with the family on events. Ubesilonipha ngokuphelele kodwa lapho bekade kufanele nje kuphelele kube senkonzweni hayi befanele ukuthi ahambe. Hayi impilo yabo nabantwana nodadewethu ibe emnandi kakhulu. Ngizothi ke nje ukuvalelisa kumkhwenyana uthe uTG the mother to Pet fayiwe uze kuthi nalapho uyakhona ube yisibani esikhulu ngoba uphathe ezandleni zakho incwadi ebikade inkulu kakhulu. Wayivula ngowakho umlomo, wayikhuluma, izizwe zonke zizwile, izizwe zizuzile ukuphila futhi ukuphila okunaphakade ukubona okwakho. Fare you well, CS Zindela.
City Shine. Siyabonga kakhulu ifamily le kamama wokuqala umama uPet esifunde ngaye la kwi-obituary. Mhlambe ke with the same level of speed sizocela ozokhulumela ifamily yaka Mgwaba okuyifamily kamama uTM, is it TM? Yes, uTM Mr. N Mgwaba. Angimazi nomseduze. Wahlala wathula Skonzu baba. Wahlala wathula Skonzu baba. Yey wena, yey wena, yey wena, yey wena. Wakebisa wakebisika ndakhandala wafa ngenxaya wakebisa wakebisika ina wafa ngenxaya ayemfana ayemfana eyo phayo ya yahlatshelwa thina ayumeli wabona yena wasimbela thina. Ngithanda ukubingelela
obaba ngibingelela omama ngibingelela umndeni waZindela waKaNdlovu ngibingelela umndeni waMgwaba unduduzo lo okhulumayo waKaMgwaba umfowabo kaMama uZindela ngizalwa naye uyena wangishiyela ibele eswini sama kodwa esendeni lika baba sibaningi uma ngizokhuluma ngoSibali mina bengimbiza ngoSibali ubaba Zindela uma ngizokhuluma ngaye ngikhumbula kwakuJuly mengaphosisi kulonyaka odlule noma loyi udadewethu ethi Ndu uSibari wakho uyagula usho ukuthi uSibari wayiletha udadewethu akade emvakashele akusabuyeleke emuva uSibari useyagula kangangokuba umshiya yedwa emsebenzini ngathi hayi dadewethu ngcono nize nizohlala nami noSibari mina ngizophuma ekamereni ngiyohlala kwi-outside building ngihlale noSibari sihlalileke noSibari kakhulu bekumnandi kodwa uSibari ugulile yilokho engifuna nikwazi kade siwa sivuka naye especially usisi wami Thobile ngiyakuvuma mntakama Thobile benothando umthandile uSibari bengiqala ukubona umuntu wesifazane enako umuntu wesilisa obegula ngalolu hlobo wekho ama visiting hours abengawangeni uma esasibhedlela eyasemini eyasebusuku work ama visiting hours adingawangeni ngize ngambuka enciphe emzimbeni ngabona ukuthi iyamshaya lento okugula kwaSibali kwahamba wagcina ebuyele emzimbeni ngabona ukuthi hayi usekwamukele but bengesenampilo udadewethu ngizokusho lokho ngoba ekseni bese ngivuka ekseni ngo-4:30 ngiyamhambisa uyogibela ufundisa le eStenga uyabuya kuyoshaya o6 uthe ngene esangweni ethi wezi usho uZindela uthi wezi amemeza uSibari esekabereni athi hello baby ngoba uSibari ube nothando angifuni ukuqamba manga uSibari simnikile uthando nathi lapha khona uyazi even ubaba uLindo uyazi ukuthi bekuthi mase kubheda sekushubile ayingimfonele ngithi babuzindela ayikuyabheda but kodwa khulileka sozama ukuthi uSibari simtatamise uSibari ngendlela ade gula ngayo ngaze ngadecide ukuthi ngoba akasakwazi ukusebenzisa ifoni ngamthengela uOver ngathenga uOver bawu2 ngathi Sibari ngoba mina isikhathi esiningi ngihlalela endlini yami nawe uhlala la endlini yakho nawo uOver mawungidinga pressa la uvesana uthi Sibali mina ngizoza ngigijima hayi wajabula uSibali nangempela uSibali wakwenza lokho uSibali kwahamba washawa istroke kwanzima uSibali akasakwazi ukuhamba akasakwazi ukwenzani wazama usisi wami hey ngoba uThobile hayi ngiyamvuma wazama nami ngangenelela uSibali ngagcina sengiyifizo yakhe uSibali sengimfundisa ukuhamba ngoba kwakungasahambeki ngamfundisa ukuhamba uSibali hayi watotoba ngamkhiphela emgaqweni hamba kancane uSibali hayi sayincenga wagcina sekwazi wasejwayela ukuhamba uSibali kangangokuba unosisi othiwa ulethu osisizayo lapha ekhaya ngendlela amnaka ngayo uSibali umnikile uthando nezingane zami lezi enizibonayo la even lo omncane bese bazi ukuthi umkhulu ngalesikhathi udlani ngalesikhathi wenzani akekho umuntu ade ngamthanda uSibali lapha ekhaya naye futhi ubesithanda kangangokuba uSibali ubeyinkozako uSibali uthola ukuthi ngiwasha imoto eminyango ngizozwa sekuqhamuka lo mncane ethi baba uyakubiza umkhulu ngiye nami ke Sibali ngizwe ingane ithi uyangidinga athi hayi Sibali amabhusha kanti asevaliwe nisibali. Ngithi hayi sibali wavaliwe. Athi hayi sibali. Thatha ikhadi lapha sibali uhambe uyothenga inyama sibali sose sibali. Hayi ngithi ngizokwenza njalo sibali. Mase ngiyithengile sibali. Ngicela ungikhipha sibali ngiyohlala nawe lapha eminyango. Sengimfaka wheelchair useyohlala eminyango uyangibuka ke manje ngiyabraya. Mase ngibona ukuthi khona esivuthiwe. Sibali ayikho esivuthiwe. Ngithi hayi sibali ekhona. Ngeke kadle ngisho into eningi mhlawumbe uzodla amaqatha awu2 noma u3 athi use right. Ngendlela kade elunge ngayo sibari right ngayo esithanda ngayo. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga somkhumbulo bali indlela ade sinake ngayo nabantwana bami nodadewethu. Ngifisa sangathi angaba idlozi elihle kudadewethu ngoba umnikile uthando. Usibari nginengoma deyithanda ebengithi mase ngiyidlala ekseni avesana tha usibari wayidlala ingoma emnandi. Ngicela ungidlalele DJ ile ngoma yaSibari beyithanda ngale ndlela le. Even noma esesibhedlela uthola ukuthi uThobile uzomlalelisa athi yamuza ududlalani. Athi ongikhulumise noSibari athi uSibari wami wazi wayidlala ingoma emnandi. Sibari sohlale simkhumbule. Anginawo amaningi ngicela ukuyideda indawo. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga Asithini Shine. I've never been this afraid. The stages engime kusona sefike saxhunywa sabuye thina sasidismantlisha. Sasihlakaza sisondeza la. Akekho njini obekhona. And I don't think isikhathi esisithathile sihlanganisa thina. Siyalingana nesikhathi esithathwa abantu abama professionals. So ngine problem ye stability mase kuzoma abantu abawufola ishawa uvalo langeke. Uthi Nkosi yami ngonyama kodwa ungenzani baba? Ngiyacela ke ukuthi sibonge kakhulu kuBaba uMgwaba uDokotela MP Khathide. Ngizocela asondele bese kuthi ieldership choir yakaMashu nengicabanga ukuthi yona lehleli lapha ibe ready ukuthi uma eqeda uDokotela bese isipha umucu. Dokotela ungalishe lakho umufisi.
Ngibingelele emphathihlelo abaphuli ngegaba zazo sekela mengameli nobhala malunga ebandla wonke yakhona umndeni yomthathu esihlanganisela obaba uZindela abafundi ngibamele ngikhethwe ngicelwe umndeni ngithemba ukuthi ngizonirepresenta kuko konke ebenifisa ukubeka. Othishela bami engibabonile mangena lana ngithi angibingelele nakubona futhi. Nizozibuza ukuthi leli khehla leli elithi lalifundiswa ubabuzindela kwakwenzeka kanjani. Let me put that as a disclaimer. I dropped out for 2 years esikoleni ngenxa yezimo, not ngokufeyila. So when I moved from Nambiti Primary School in Stateville to Esiqophameti ngangiyofunda u5, uFuhlu uButhelezi wathi buyele emuva ka4 ngoba nina benifunda isiZulu. So la kuhulumeni wakwaZulu sifunda English. So English yakhe ayikho right. So I had to go back. The second time I was so naughty, umama ezongise boarding school enga-applyanga ngoba ebona ukuthi eZakheni High School ngizosho. So angasithola isikole. Mase ngibuyele esikoleni uthisha umkhulu uMbonani ngoMarch wathi awusiqala isikole ngoMarch. So ngahamba ngayohlala ekhaya. So I'm just putting that as a disclaimer. So it means ngo-1987 ngiqale ukumazi uthisha uZindela. Ngihlale nayo 87 no 88. I'm not going to represent those who stayed with him after my time up until I retire. Babu Zindela ebesifundisa i-mathematics eZakheni Secondary School, Senior Secondary School. Kwangasiso isifundo esilula. Ngiyacabanga futhi nothisha babengathanda ukusifundisa. Hayi ngoba babengakwazi ukusifundisa, kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi nje isifundo sebalo asikho kwi-DNA yethu kahle hle as black South Africans. So njoba ningibona ngase ngikhulile wa61 ngika68 kusho ukuthi wayefundisa ontanga bakhe. So kwakungelula ke ukusifundisa, sasingafundiseki, sasingalawuleki, kwakuyikhathi enzima ngaleso sikhathi. The second part is, I'm not sure what is it that attracted uZindela to eZakheni Senior Secondary School, because isikhathi ajoyina ngaso kwakuyisikhathi sasisibi kakhulu eZakheni kulabo abaziyo. Ilesikhathi esagcina sibizwa ngokuthi black on black violence in KZN. So ukuzojoyina eZakheni, the situation was so terrible and volatile ngaleso sikhathi. Kodwa ke ukuthanda nokuphokophela ukuthi akhathalele umphakathi waseZakheni wazinikela ukuthi aze azosebenza. Abazali bethu babephuma bengazi noma bazobuya yini mabe emsebenzini. Ingane zaziphuma zesikoleni singazi noma sizobuya, because isikole was targeted as one of the areas la kwakuxoveka khona umphakathi kubulawana. Ngamanye amagama ufika kuleso sikhathi nathi sizingane asilawuleki because siziphethe la. Akukho thisha ozositshela uma ngabe sekwenzeka lezi zinto ukuthi sizoresponda kanjani. So waba nesineke emusha emncane, kodwa wakwazi ukutshala imbewu esupportwa isinye staff esasisebenza naye ngaleso sikhathi. So sithi asidlulisa ukubonga ikakhulukazi emndenini nakubantwana ngokusitsheleka uthisha wethu esasimthanda. Even our maphutha in mathematics, sometimes the books also will have some errors. And my rely encwadini siyifunda phela incwadi sizomcorrect. So ngamanye amagama uma ngabe ethi uyabhala isibalo mhlawumbe u2 engqondweni yakhe ekubhala u5 sizomcorrect. And he was very patient with us because we also did that with dignity, as well as zama ukuthi si-interrogate whatever he was teaching. And that showed ukuthi kwazi ukumlalela simlandela. Esikufisayo ukubona abantwana enibafundisayo bothisha bephumelela. bangaphumelela academically, bangaphumelela ekutheni bakwazi ukuziphilisa, kodwa esikufisayo ukubona bephumelela. Siyi-product yenu, siyi-product kaZindela, sikwazile ukuthi sikubambe lokhu okuncane nisinika kona, sakuconverta sakwenza kwaba impilo zethu. Bathi ngudokotela nje, it's because of imsebenzini, because we've managed to actually climb the ladder, getting degrees as well as getting masters and MBAs up until we got this last certificate. Kuyimsebenzi yenu, akusiyimi ngedwa, sibaningi, and we are a team esiziqhenyayo ngesandla esaphuma kuyo kuZindela. There were times eklasini la esasikade babiza nje khona othisha singekho happy, especially in matric. Sasibabiza nga-one savala ama-class sathi asifundi ke manje. Wozo account ukuthi sifundisa kanjani. We are not happy ngendlela osifundisa ngayo. So mabeza othisha, because we are so naughty, sifaka amaphepha phansi like ucarpet, sithi le ndawo enze kuyo ingcwele. So zoza nga-one sikubuze sikutshele ukuthi ikuphi esinganelisekile ngayo. Ngenhlanhla uZindela was one of those abangazange babizwe. So that shows i-character nendlela ayiziphethe ngayo, ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe wayewenza ngendlela ecophelelayo nanendlela yokwakha nendlela yothando. Ekseni esikoleni masifika sizothandaza, I hope kusathandazwa, siyazi iphiwa wafani kothisha. uZindela was one of those guys. Esasithi uma ngabe kuyena ozobe phethe kulelo viki, at least sizoba morally regenerated, because inkulumo zakhe zazakha, undlela abeka ngayo, waye umuntu wakhayo, sasifunda okuningi kuyena. Asikhohlwa lokho ke uma ngabe sihamba empilweni zethu ukuthi leyo mthandazo leyo ayesilida kuyona namhlanje isahlala enhlizweni zethu, siyayikhumbula futhi iyasibusisa. Sengivala sihlalo imisebenzi esiyenzayo sinike uThixo usibusisile, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi asazi ukuthi wabizwa yini uZindela eZakheni High School, kodwa ke uNkulunkulu wamholela khona. Sibaningi si-generation and next generation sazoqhubeka ezalwa yithi ekade idlule esandleni sikaZindela, and sithemba ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngale mbewu ayitshala kuthina izokwazi ukuthi isize thina iphinde yakhe nezizukulwane esilandelayo. Sengivala ngosuku uzi afa ngalo ngambona uJehova. Namhlanje sifunda okuningi ngokuhamba kaZindela, impilo ayiphilile emva kokuba esedlulile ekubeni uthisha. Ngale ngaphandle kwesikole sithole ukuthi ube nekhaya elifudumele futhi elifudumezelisa naye. Mndenini, the Lord is so close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalms 34 verse 18. Mndenini, what you have enjoyed and loved can never truly be lost. All of it becomes a part of you. Ngicapune Elizabeth Kubler-Ross. The reality is that you will grieve forever. You will not get over the loss of a loved one. You will learn to live with it. Revelation 21 verse 4. He will wipe every tear from our eyes. There'll be no more death, or mourning, or crying, or pain, for the Lord, for the old order of the things had passed away. Akwehlanga ngehlanga emndenini sengazathi ningaduduzeka nxa ngabe nibhekene nalesimo esingelula. Siyabonga.
Sibonga kakhulu kudokotela Steny Shine. Sizocela ke i-eldership choir yakaMashu isiphe umuntu. mhlamba ngibosho ukuthi uma iqeda ichoir kuzobe sekunyukela estage ubaba umpostoli MM Mntambo ukuzokhuluma njengomkhokheli kababa uZindela. Over to you, choir master.
Uyathwala umthwalo wami, uyathwala umthwalo wami, yena uyathwala umthwalo wami, uyathwala umthwalo wami, yena uthi wongithwala nami. Uthi wongithwala nami yena ungumhlobo. Uthi wongithwala nami. Uthi wongithwala nami yena ungumhlobo. Wayehlatshwa njengemfana. Ishinhlanhla yokwazana ke yekihlanhla yokwazana yebo ngumhlo ishinhlanhla yokwazana ke yekihlanhla yokwazana yebo ngumhlo ishinhlanhla yokwazana bo Oh,
ake sithi shine. Siyabonga kakhulu kwi-eldership choir yakwaMashu. Nizophinde ke nishaye leyo mpahla yokushintshana ne-youth ezolandela emva kwasihlalo omkhulu wenkonzo. Ngizocela ke ukuthi kuleli thuba siphakamise ukhehla ubaba umpostoli MM Mtambo ozoza ezokhuluma njengomkhokheli kababa uCS Zindela.
Ake ngibonge ithuba engilithola kumphathi wohlelo. Ngizoqala nje ukukhuluma. Nanti iculo lami nami elingithinta inhliziyo yami. Ngonyama ungibone kanjani? Ngiyacabanga Amen. 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 Aw. Nama baprofeti akeke banginike ithuba. Nami ngiprofete kuzwakala kahle. Naze nahlupheka. nafuna ukulalela izindaba ezizoza nomkhokheli. Kimina namhlanje azikho indaba enizoyithola. Uthi namhlanje umveleli uzindela ningabe nisangikhalela mina. Umsebenzi ubaba bengithume wona ngufezile. Zikhaleleni nina ensasele kulomhlaba wosizi nokuhlupheka. Hayibo, lenkonzo ngithunywe mina ukwakha imizi yabantu. Ngithunywe umhlaba wonke kube nokuthula. Ngithunywe ukubeka isandla ngibukelisa umoya oyingcwele. Bakwazi abantu ukudibana nenkosi yami uJesu Kristu. Kuzwakala kahle. Sibahle sonke njengoba silapha namhlanje. Mase sizela sibahle sonke. Kodwa zinjani inkinga la sibuya khona ezindlini zethu? Na indaba la ikhona. Ngijabula kakhulu uma ngizwa ama-comment kababa umveleli uzindela. Bethu beyincwadi babona umuzi wakhe nabantwana bakhe. Hayi, uzindela wayephuza utshwala, uzindela wayeyisilwe. Kodwa nanti ivangeli elamenza uzindela wazalwa kabusha. Ngeke uhambe uthi uyakholwa, kodwa ungazi ngabalele bakini. Uyakholwa ilokhu bekuthinta bethi hayibo asingenanga embusweni wezulu. Ithi iBhayibheli abangena ezulwini abasalamba abasomi sebeluswe uyimvana. Ake uyibuzeke ukuthi wena abakini ngempela sebangena enezulwini abakuhluphi yini? Ngeke bayongena embusweni wezulu usabhabhatiswe ngamanzi. Mawubhabhatiswe ngamanzi usalawulwa abantu abangasekho. Fanele ugcine izinto zabo abayifunayo. Uma ubhabhatiswe ngamanzi sonke sibuya khona lapho. Alikho icala mawuhlaba imbuzi wenzela abantu bakini abangasekho ngoba ubhabhatiswe ngani. Nikhona endlini. Abantu bakini abangasekho ungahamba ushumayela umuzi uJesu uthi ugida ngaphakathi, kodwa uma usabhabhatiswe ngamanzi, hayi mfowethu uzohamba nalo Jesu ogida ngaphakathi. Ufike emathuneni akubeke uNikodima athi sibuyisela lo mzimba lapho wathathathwa khona uthulo othulini. Aphinde umphefumulo wakho kade ukhokha amathikiti wenza zonke izinto, ukhokha amathikiti okuyolala lapha nesidumbu sakho ubona ukubola kwenyama yakho. Uqala ubuye ekhaya kubantwana bakho ulandela igazi labo kuqhuma izindlu kungqongqotha abantu emnyango. Washo umuntu owumthanda ukhokha amathikiti ekuthembisa ngezulu kanti akalazi lena izulu. Ulaze lapho uNikodima izulu ngoba nampo baba kade beyichaza indaba. Wathi ngiyindoda engaka ngingabuyela kanjani esiswini sikamama ngiphinde ngizale. Wayengezwa engage. Ngijabula kama nginibona ningaka. Ngingaba necala namhlanje uma ngahlala leli thuba enginikwa lona. Umveleli uzindela athi kimi baba bafikile bonke, angathi mina wangigoba baba ngaba umntwana baphume kanjani. Hayi bafowethu singakhohlisani. Lelithuba lanamhlanje ithuba enibizelwe nizoza uzindela ukuthi unqobe kanjani. Uzindela namhlanje ngeke ayobona ukubola kwenyama yakhe. Uzindela ngeke. Nikezwa kahle bafowethu. Ngeke. Indaba nayi lapha ekhona bafowethu. Noma ungathanda noma ungathandi. Mawungena enkolweni abakini abangasekho inhloso yokubukelisa ubhabhadiso lomlilo nomoya oyingcwele ingoba kufuneka baye embusweni wezulu. Zizophela imbuzi, zizophela inkomo. Wavuma ukumukela ivangeli likaKristu elethwa abapostoli ngoba bahlupheka bakini, kudingeka wena, kudingeka mina ukuthi kuhlatshwe mina. Abafuni igazi lembuzi, bazolidla ngani? Izisu zabo zangena ku6 feet down. Abafuna etshwala, utshwala bazophuza ngani? Izisu zabo zangena lapha phansi. Into efunekalayo bafuna igazi lakho. Vuma wena ukuhlatshwa uzalwe kabusha. Sizokumukelisa ubhabhadiso lomlilo nomoya oyingcwele. Umoya oyingcwele ayohlala nawe, wena baba nomama, kube nokuthula ekhaya. Sekungena uNkulunkulu ophilayo, nihlale ngothando nangokuthula nangoxolo, nizobona umhlaba omdala wedlula. Nizwe kahle bafowethu, hayi bafowethu, ungenza konke, ungakhuluma noma konke. Ngiyahlupha ke mina ngoba mangikhuluma intshumayelo yami ihamba nobufakazi bami kuleli Bhayibheli. Ningezwa kahle bafowethu, inkinga zayibhildile ngesikhathi sikaMose, Exodus 20, imiyalo kaNkulunkulu eyishumi. uNkulunkulu ethumela uMose, hamba ukhipha abantwana bami eGibhithe. Wafika uMose, imiyalo kaNkulunkulu eyishumi. uNkulunkulu wakhuluma wonke lamazwi, wathi nguJehova uNkulunkulu wakho, ungabi nabo abanye onkulunkulu ngaphandle kwami. Ngizokukhipha ezweni laseGibhithe, indlu yobugqila. Ungabi nabanye onkulunkulu ngaphandle kwami. Ungakhonza ithombe ebaziweyo namfanekiso osemhlabeni, ngokuba mina nguNkulunkulu onolaka. Ngiyehlisela ububi bawoyise kusizukulwane sesithathu nesesine. Ulaka ke lolo labantu bakini abangayanga ezulwini, balala bebhabhathizwe ngamanzi. Nawe futhi usabhabhathizwe ngamanzi. Na inkinga izosolveka kanjani iproblem yalaba bantu bakini? Mawungangikholwa futhi ukuthi lento engikhuluma ngayo ikhona. AmaThesalonika okuqala chapter 4 evesini lika-13. Awuzweka abahamba nokhola abapostoli, ukuvuka kwabafileyo. Kepha sithandi bazalwane, ningabi nakwazi ngabaleleyo, ukuze ningadabuki njengabanye abangenalo ithemba. Ngokuba manikholwa ukuthi uJesu wafa wavuka, ngokunjalo uNkulunkulu uyakubaletha nabaleleyo kuJesu kunye naye. Ngokuba lokhu sikusho kini ngezwi leNkosi, ukuba thina sisekhona sisasele kuze kube sekufeni kweNkosi, asikubandulela nempela abaleleyo. Ungangena kanjani wena ezulwini kodwa bakini basale ngaphandle? Ngeke, ngokuba iNkosi uqobo iyawukwehla ngezwi elikhulu nangephimbo lengilosi enkulu nangecilongo likaNkulunkulu, nabafileyo kuKristu bayovuka kuqala. Thina sisokhona siyawuhlwitha emafini, sihlangabeza iNkosi emoyeni. Nanti ivangeli uma benimthanda undodana wami uZindela, hayi kungaba mnandi lapho ekhona, ngoba ingcaphu ishiyekini namhlanje. Kudingeka ubhabhadiso lomlilo nomoya oyingcwele. Izulu likhona, izulu likhona. Ungeze umuntu ukuthi izulu alikho, likhona izulu. Nayi indaba bafowethu, awubheke la ubuya khona ekhaya, ubheke ukuthi nihleli kanjani nomama nobaba, ubone ukuthi kumnandi, kushoda uthando lasezulwini nokuthula noxolo. Nanti-ke ivangeli uZindela elimenze emzini wakhe babambana nomkakhe, elimenze umuzi wakhe wakhazimula ezweni lonke njengoba namhlanje nilandele inkazimulo kababa umveleli uZindela. Kuzwakala kahle bafowethu. Mani mthanda namhlanje funeka nithathe nanka amazwi amancane. Uvula indlu yakho. Uvula indlu yakho mfowethu. Nangu uNkulunkulu kuyisambulo 3 evesini lika-20 uthi bheka ngimile emnyango nginqonqotha uma umuntu ezwa izwi lami avula umnyango ngiyongena kuye ngidle naye ngilale naye onqobayo ngiyomnikeza isihlalo sami sobukhosi njengoba ubaba nami nganqoba ngahlala naye esihlalweni sakhe sobukhosi. Nayi indaba enkulu bathandwa, izokwenza kanjani lento? Izoza ngenglosi, wena uzobona umuntu akusizi inglosi lezi, kodwa kuzoza umuntu embethe inyama. Uyena oyofika khalisa icilongo avusa abakini abafileyo badibane nawe uze nabo esisekeleni bezothola isinkwa semihla ngemihla. Amaqala ayaphela ayashabalala njengamazolo. Uyobabona abakini ebusuku ulele ubabone behleka besmile. Indlela yokudibana nabantu bakini yinye. Uthi omunye umuntu abakithi ababuya ingane basitshele ukuthi kunjani la kukhona. Angathi ebusuku mawulele uyalala ebusuku ekuseni uvuka uthi uphuphe bani? Nikhona endlini uphuphe bani ekuseni? Ngibona ugogo engabona ugogo ephatheke kabi, angazi uzuhambe uyelene emathuneni uyobheka ingcwaba lakhe ukuthi akukho into ekhona engimbone ngemuhle ugogo, ake ngimenzele itiye, kodwa wamukela leli vangeli. Kuzodlula konke lokho kushabalale njengamazolo. Ungezwa kahle mfowethu? Mfowethu sengigcina ngathatha isikhathi sikababa. Nayi indaba yami yokugcina. Nayi indaba yami yokugcina. Indoda eyayaziwa yabela abantu izipho, ikhuleka kuNkulunkulu njalo, ihawukela bonke abantu. Ithi mina uNkulunkulu uJesu ngizodibana noJesu Kristu. Kodwa kuzange kuhambe kanjalo. Izenzo 10 uKhoneliyo, umbono kaKhoneliyo. Kwakukhona eKesariya indoda ethile egama layo linguKhoneliyo, eyinduna yekhulu yebutho kuthiwa lase-Italiya, indoda ekholwayo neyesaba uNkulunkulu kanye nendlu yayo yonke. Yayabela izipho abantu abampofu, ikhuleka kuNkulunkulu ihora nehora. Ithi wena ongaphezulu uyangazi ngabela abalambile ngibapha ukudla. Kodwa kwathi ngehora lesishiyagalolunye wabona umbono, inglosi kaNkulunkulu ingena kuye kungathi ihora lesishiyagalolunye. Yathi Khoneliyo, wayiqolozela enokwesaba. Wathi kwenze njani Nkosi? Wathi ukwabela kwakho izipho abampofu nokukhuleka kwakho kuNkulunkulu njalo njalo kwenyukile kwaba isikhumbuzo emehlweni kaNkulunkulu. Thumela eJopha kuye uSimiyoni okuthiwa nguPetro, okuyena ondlu yakhe ingasolwandle umshuki. Yathi uma iqeda indlosi yemuka indlosi. Wababiza uKhoneliya abendlu yakhe nakholwa nabo, akholwa nabo. Nasi isehlo esingehlele. Kwenziwa uhlelo ukuthi azotholana ubhabhadiso lomlilo nomoya oyingcwele. Likhona izulu bathandwa, likhona izulu. uJesu Kristu wadela ucebe ezulwini Sambulo 14 wehle ezulwini wazozalwa waba ubuntu ebantwini wezokhokho omkhulu bakho Davida noJese noAbrahama babelile high days bethi inkosi ngeke ikushiye umphefumulo wabo kuze kube phakathi kephi yoba yisenabelo sikaJehova wehla uJesu wezemhlabeni wazohlatshwa lachitheka igazi lakhe wabathenga bakubo 144,000 obani laba abambeswe simhlophe hayi ababuye emhlabeni osizi lokuhlupheka abangubo zabo ziwashe egazini lewundlo base bebekwe uphawu emabunzini abo bequliqule elingaziwa benyukele entabeni yaseSiyoni inkonzo yabapostoli uzindela ayingena imkhiphile ezingxakini namhlanje ingapha mina ngizofakazela ngalamazwi ubaba uzindela ukuthi wena kade umthanda namhlanje thatha iphethi ungizwa kahle mfowethu thathani thatha iphethi uthatha bakini uyobafaka embusweni wezulu sizokufundisa sizokubonisa indlela uphume inkingeni zabantu abangasekho abantu abangasekho bayahlupha ngeke uyiqede ikhalo zabo kodwa nanti inkonzo kaKristu eguqula abantu aphela amacala bonke labo bantu bakini bambeswe ingubo ezimhlophe badlisa inkosi emihla ngemihla bayongena embusweni wezulu siyabonga
Siyabonga kakhulu kumkhulu okhuluma esigabeni sokuba umkhokheli kababa uCS Zindela asithini shine uzobhema ukholwe ngizophakamisa ke uhlalo wenkonzo jikelele hlalo omkhulu ubaba umveleli uRN Ngcamu ukuzosinikezela amazwi aqhamuka enkonzweni kulesi simo esinjenganalesi sesethelewa lewa lapha kade oliwa lewa lapha sesethelewa lewa lapha kade oliwa lewa lapha sesethelewa lewa lapha kade oliwa lewa lapha ungithi wazulwa wazulwa ngenxa yami lewa
Program Director, Overseer and Advocate, B.A. Mbili, who is also a Deputy Chairperson for the Church globally. Greetings to Zindela family and relatives, to Ndlovu and Mkwaba families, to our apostolate, led by Deputy President and the Chairperson of the Church, of the Apostle Board, all structures at different levels, upper house, lower house, evangelist, youth, to friends of Zindela family, beloved brothers and sisters, we are gathered here today with heavy hearts, yet lifted in spirit to bid a farewell to a remarkable and a faithful servant of Christ, our beloved Secretary General of the 12 Apostles Church in Trinity, Father of Overseer C.S. Zindela. With the permission, Program Chair, I would like to request that you stand up, and also I would like to request that Father P.V. Gumede stands up, and request that Father Overseer El Makoba stands up. Where is PV? Sapomil? Manimbono PV nimcele. I'm asking these overseers to stand up because we were 5. And we were known as the top 5 and the office bearers of the church. Myself, supported and deputized by Overseer Mbili, there is now a gap of Secretary General who was deputized by Father P.V. Gumede, Osaphumile, and then our treasurer, Ubaba El Makoba. What is remarkable about these members, and the reason why I'm asking them to stand, is that in the absence of Ubaba Uzindela, who was amongst us as the Secretary General, I only became the chairperson this year. Became the deputy chairperson this year. El Makoba became the treasurer this year. P.V. Gumede became the deputy secretary in 2024. Now, you can already see that Father Zindela joined the Global Executive Committee in 2022. Now you can see what we are now missing. And you can see who was our pillar of strength, where our wisdom was lying. You can see where we drew our strength, where we drew experience. And now that experience is gone in the top 5. You may be seated. At some point, I got to have an experience and to be known to become a program director for major events in this church. And those major events will include the Thanksgiving events and so on. And as some of us have heard, a clip elogiti, Lashoni Langamvangeli, 40 years. That clip is a clip of the voice CS. In 2018, Emeva Mhlophe, where we were celebrating 40 years. And it was at that year where we shared the platform as program directors of that event. And it was at that year where he said to me, now going forward, I've mentored you as a program director. I shall never be a program director anymore. He was my second mentor to be a program director. And my first mentor was overseer B.B. Mhlongo. Those are two anchors that I learned and they mentored me and led me to lead and program direct major events. And since 2018, Father Zindela left that portfolio. And he was always watching me, and every time he would come and say, you are still doing what I taught you to do. And for that, I'm grateful. And for that, I owe him to produce even more competent and exceptional program directors like he did to me. And I must indicate that whilst we learned in the Bible, Elijah, Enoch, that those were only two people that perhaps, from what the Bible is telling us, that abazange bakuzwe ukufa umoya wenkosi wabathatha wabahlwitha. And those things, they still happen even today. Perhaps in different formats. Let me share with you the format that a similar event that happened to Gwabo Elijah, that has happened now to Babu Zindela. On the 3rd of April this year, we were together with Ubaba Overseer Zindela with JEC. And there we were planning for the program of the church for the remainder of 2025 or 2026-27 to produce what is referred to as a diary of events. And in there, we agreed, Nobabu Zindela, that on the 13th and 14th of June, we shall have what we call Global Evangelist Summit. Global Evangelist Summit on the 13th and 14th of June. He knew that. He knew that. He was there when we took that decision. It seemed as if Father Zindela was laughing at us all. And it seemed as if he was saying, glory be to thy Lord. You shall all come on the 13th of June. And that's exactly what has happened. Wherein the 13th of June, the Global Evangelist gathering had to come here first. That's why today we have members coming as far as Western Cape who thought that they were coming to the Global Evangelist Summit and found themselves on the 13th of June celebrating the life of Overseer Zindela here today. Members coming from Free State Province, members coming from Eastern Cape Province, members coming from Mpumalanga Province, members coming from KwaZulu-Natal, Northwest, Gauteng, members as far as Lesotho are here to celebrate the life that was well lived, Kababa Zindela. Now, Father Zindela was not only just an administrator, he was the very heartbeat of our church daily operations. He acted as a vital glue to bind us all together that held the administrative life of our church. His office will be the first stop for whatever we want to write and issue out as a circular. He will be the first person to be contacted. Please, umongameli ufuna simbhalele ukuthi. He must wake up and write that. That was his office. Inkonzo ifuna uku-announce ukuthi he must write that particular circular. But he was very able to balance a very demanding role of being a secretary of a church as big as this. If I say as big as this, I don't mean that we are all here as members of this church. I mean a church as big as having members over 8 million. And I used to tell people that our church, in terms of numbers, is bigger than Eastern Cape people or population combined altogether. The members of this church are bigger than Western Cape combined population. There is only one province that is bigger than the members of this church, which has got about 12 million people. That is KwaZulu-Natal. I cannot count Gauteng. Though Gauteng has got a bigger population than KwaZulu-Natal, I cannot count it because if we have 8 members in our church, 8 million members in our church, Gauteng having more than 16 million people on its own. However, during December time and during holidays time, the population of Gauteng will be lesser than the population of the 12 Apostles' Church in Christ, in Trinity. Because abantu ngoDecember bayahamba eGauteng, babuyele Eastern Cape, Western Cape, naKwaZulu-Natal. So Ubaba Zindela was responsible for the administration of a population of over 80 million congregants. 8 million congregants. He worked tirelessly behind the scenes, driven not by the desire for recognition, but a deep love for the Lord and commitment to the mission. Many of us will remember Papa Zindela's sharp mind, very sharp mind, but even more so for his gentle spirit. For his gentle spirit. He was a gentleman inside out. He was tolerant and neat, not only outside, but even within. He remained a steady anchor during times of trials and consolation. He was our very wise counselor in our executive committee. He will always prevail over us. He will always provide wisdom. He will always share experiences that helped us to grow and understand why certain things in this church has got to be done in a particular manner. Father Zindela modeled what it means to be a faithful servant. We always meet him smiling, and at some point he became a self-appointed hater of the church. Makule gathering lekonzo ubaba uZindela uzofuna amabhodwe nekhishi nakuphi. And as the shows wokumbudile usekhishini kuba zomhlangano usekhishini yena uyapheka gijima namabhodwe athi kudliwe yimabhodwe nidlile abantu abangala. That's a commitment that Father Zindela had and modeled to his family. We cannot fully comprehend and understand the depth of the sorrow we are feeling, but we know that God of all comfort is holding you close right now. CS legacy is woven into the very fabric of our church. He has fought the good fight, he has finished his race, and he has kept his faith. Now, let us honor his memory, not just with our tears, but by carrying forward the dedication, the love, and the unity he championed so well up until to date. May the soul of our dear Secretary General rest in eternal life. Thank you.
Asiphinde sithi shine kuhlalo omkhulu. Sibonga kakhulu Baba uZindela is still with us and is in a better place. Ngizocela ke ukuthi i-youth isiphe umucu. Emva kwe-youth sizocela uLindo Zindela. Ngithola umyalezo othi both items 10 and 11 zizokwenziwa umntwana oyedwa, and that will be uCommunity Elder Lindo Zindela. Thank you very much. Over to you, choir.
Sometimes,
Siyabonga kuyikwaya yolusha yase Mnambithi asithini shine. Silungiselela ke ukuthi kukhuphukele ngaphezulu uLindo Zindela community elder enkonzweni kodwa futhi ondodana kababa umvelelo uZindela ezokhulumela abantwana sinalesi sicelo njengoba sesikulesi sigaba seprogram. I-item elandelayo emva kwababa uZindela omama bomthandazo sizocela ukuthi sizame ukumaximize ispace ukuthi abanye omama bangene lapha ngemuva komama umveleli ukujoyina ikhwaya yomama. Ngokunjalo ngoba ulusha seliqedile sizocela lishifte njengendlela ekushifte ngayo laba abavangeli asizange sizwe umsindo bashiftile nje ba move from lapha baya lapha. Ngokunjalo nolusha malingashifta kanjalo luyele bese kuthi umvangeli umuvele ukuya lapha ya ngoba emva komama kuzobe sekuba umvangeli. Ngicabanga ukuthi ku clear. No, thank you very much. Ngizocela ke ukuthi sisondeze ubaba uZindela estage.
Kunama mangingasweli lutho, mangingasweli lutho, oh mangingasweli lutho. Kunama mangingasweli lutho, mangingasweli lutho. Oh, mangingasweli lutho. Kunama mangingasweli lutho, mangingasweli lutho. Oh, mangingasweli lutho. ngoba intando yakho ngiyenzile ongunyama ngingaswela ntoni ngoba intando yakho ngiyenzile ongunyama ngingaswela ntoni ngunyama mangingaswele lutho mangingaswele lutho ngoma ngingaswele lutho ngoba intando yakho ngingaswela ntoni ngoba intando yakho ngiyenzile ongunyama ngingaswela ntoni ngunyama mangingasweli mangingaswele lutho Oh, mangingaswele lo